7921 Laurena. This might need to get touched up, the wood there. Very minor cost. Okay, so there's a smell to this house. That's not unusual. Sometimes you come across that. The thing is, the carpet already has to be replaced. That's $1.50 a square foot, so we'd have to replace the pad underneath it, and then possibly repaint the home, which needs to be repainted anyway, but with keels, and keels should kill the smell. That could be why it's priced lower than some of the other properties. This is a floor plan that has been very popular for us and has been successful. So that courtyard is typical. It's very standard. I think Jenny might suggest a deep grout cleaning, just because there is a very visible difference between some of the grout lines. Some look much dirtier than others. So the bathroom is right off the kitchen, which, again, it's a popular floor plan, so that hasn't been an issue. We'll have to replace the blinds with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, probably just these three. I'm not sure this is Jenny call, so let's just start with 3. Replace this carpet. And it's 2 masters. So it's desirable for a lot of people. For 5 windows, maybe 8, depending on what Jenny says. Cabinets look fine. The laminate's fine overall. Definitely doesn't look brand new. There's probably some sort of leak from the toilet or the bathtub there. That's common as well. Feels pretty sturdy. And this is the closet in this particular bedroom. Okay.